Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the original A6S TWS headset wireless earphones, Bluetooth headphones, sports stereo phone, Bluetooth earbuds for Xiaomi, Huawei, iPhone. These earphones are packed with amazing features that make them a must-have for anyone who loves music on the go. First off, let's talk about the Bluetooth technology. With seamless connectivity, you can say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to hassle-free listening. The in-ear design provides a snug fit and superior sound isolation, so you can enjoy your music without any distractions. But what really sets these earphones apart is the balanced armature principle. The clear, high-quality sound enhances your audio experience and brings your favorite songs to life. Plus, the semi-open ear cups design allows for easy communication without having to remove the headphones, making them perfect for sports or outdoor activities. And don't worry about durability, these earphones are made from durable plastic to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. Plus, they're dust-proof and IPX5 waterproof, so you can take them anywhere without any worries. With automatic pairing, one-button control, and intelligent compatibility with all Bluetooth devices, these earphones are incredibly convenient and easy to use. Plus, with a color option of black and a Bluetooth version of V5.0, you can stay stylish and up to date with the latest technology. So if you're someone who loves music and wants a reliable, high-quality pair of wireless earphones, then the original A6S TWS headset is exactly what you need. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your listening experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.